Hey everyone, we wanted to come on and talk to you about this new ball toss and catch game we just got, and we've been having a lot of fun with it. So what you get is these two mitts here, and then 4 balls. They're just like ping pong balls. And then on the front here, you're gonna have this on-off switch. So when it's turned off, you can't open this up, and you're able to store those balls right inside and they don't fall out. And then when you're ready to play, just switch it on and you're able to open it up. Then you just take the ball and toss it in and catch. And then you slip your hand right in here. They're Velcro, so they're easily adjustable. You can play this all the way from 3 years up to an adult. You can play it together or just by yourself, throwing it up and catching it. It's great for hand-eye coordination. And I love how you can go ahead and store them in here and they're not gonna roll away or fall out. So it's easy to take with you on the go, take it to a picnic, to the park, on vacation, to the beach. So really fun game to play. And these are like ping pong balls, so they're really lightweight. You could even play this inside because they're not going to be hard or solid enough to hurt anything. So we really love this, and I think you will too. Thanks so much for watching.